Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy that you joined me today. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're coming back, oh, thank you so much for coming back to see me. And I would love for you to all join my family, join my YouTube family. All right, we are going to make some bookmark tassels. Aren't these adorable? These printouts are from My Porch Prints. But first, a shout out to Lynn, Karen, Maybelline, Alice, and Mackenzie. I appreciate each and every one of you. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are absolutely adorable. So I made the little tassels here, and then I just added some beads, the My Porch Prints. There's a journaling spot on the back, but this is how that you can use them. So I just have a little paper bag journal here, and let's open her up and let's just show you. I'm going to just put this right inside, and there's your tag. Your tassel, I mean. There's your tassel. Isn't that cute? Now, sometimes I find that tassels that are connected to the actual junk journal become bothersome. This way, they will never become bothersome. You can take them out as you wish, journal on them. Okay, let's get right to it and make us one. All right, guys. So what I did was I printed out on a piece of harder, actually it's cardstock. I printed it out and I've already fussy cut it. Now I'm going to take my gathered twigs and I am going to just ink around the edges. This is a little coffee cup from My Porch Prints. I got this off of her shop on Etsy. And if you would like to know how I made these, just put in a comment below and I will do a video on how I made my tassels. So the thing about making your own tassels is that you can put this part as long as you want, and that's what you want. You want this part to be long, because the ones you buy, they're short. They're like this short. Well, you can still use it, but it's really nice if you have a long one and you can determine how long your bookmark tag is. So I'm just going to cut that off so it's even. And then I am going to glue this onto my not coffee dyed, actually I do think it's coffee and beet dyed cardstock. And I like that darker side. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this right on, just like that. And get that all glued on. I'm going to put it down low because I'm going to trim around it, but I'm going to leave a little bit of that beautiful colored paper showing. So I'm going to fussy cut this around. I'm just going to get myself a little piece so I can do that. And then I'll show you how that looks. All right, I've gone ahead and I've cut it out. Not close, just leaving a little border. And it's so beautiful on the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to take my gathered twigs and I'm going to ink around the edge. Then I am going to take my beautiful tassel and I'm going to take some of these glass seed beads. They have the larger hole in them. And I'm going to string my beads. I hope I can do this on camera. We shall see. Nope, that one went in very easily. I'm going to put some gold ones on here, I do think. And get them right on. I'm going to put 3 on here. Whoopsie. So this is airing. I've videoed this earlier because I'm right now at the market probably getting soaking wet because it's supposed to be pretty torrential rain on Saturday here. All right, I've got my 3 beads on here, so now I'm just going to make a knot and I'm going to knot it and pull it up close to those beads. Any beads will work as long as you can get them on your string here. just like that, so they won't come off. Now I'm going to take my string and I am going to put a hole. I think I'd like this to maybe hang kind of tipped. I'd like to put it right in the handle of this cup and saucer with the flowers, and I'm going to put it back side. Actually, I need to ink this part right here. I didn't do that. I did the other side. There. Okay, now I want to put it through the back side, just like that, so it will hang. And then I'm going to put 3 more beads. See if I need to recut that or not. I'm not sure. 3 more beads right in here. Yeah, I might need to recut it. The other 3 went on so very nice. Of course, these will be a little more difficult. Okay, that one went on just fine. 2 more. 2 more. Okay, I went off camera and did that because I could tell there was going to be a problem. So I've got 3 more beads on this side of the card. Now I'm going to put a knot right on the end of the string itself, just like that. So it's going to hang in your book like this. We're going to open our book up and we're going to put it in just like this. You can make this string as long as you want. This is a small little book. And there you go. And when you open it up, you've got your bookmark right in here, and you can journal on it. Oh, you guys, I've had great fun, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.